the advantage of reverse engineering your sales process. Up next. Have you ever skipped a flat rock across the water? Notice as the rock skims the water, how the water ripples. And then after a moment, the ripples then flow effortlessly into one another. Well, the same concept applies when you take a systems approach. Each system in your business should lead to greater connections, business growth, and when you integrate systems properly, you'll notice how momentum begins to build and the pieces come together. Like the ripples on the pond, each ripple begins to incorporate into one another, and at the same time, the blending is harmonious. You start to build momentum and you get noticed for your unique lineup of services and your products. One of the biggest breakthroughs that my clients get out of their participation in the Wake Up Profitable Bootcamp for business owners is they get to see how all of their systems interconnect. And one of the problems that they come to the bootcamp for is that they go to great lengths to create a service line that does not yield the results that they were expecting. And oftentimes they are implementing either a product or a service line, and the common trap that they fall into is they get lured into the belief that if you build it, people will come. Well, the truth is you need to determine how that service or how that product fits into your overall strategy as well as your sales and marketing channel. For example, a business owner got lured in implementing a member-based service. Unfortunately, she created it without identifying how it fit into her lineup of products and services. So we started by clearly identifying her preferred client profile. We identified their wants and their needs. Now, once we reverse engineered her sales process, she realized that this particular service option was not a main offering, but rather an add-on offering. And by moving a service offering to later in her sales process, she could set up that add-on option, which also provided value that her clients wanted for their team and also recurring income for her business. To be successful implementing any program, any product, or even any service, it's not just about implementing random systems or programs to gain momentum or revenue for your business. The trick is to think through how one element influences your entire business system so that you create effortless blending. Learn more about how the systems approach can influence your profitability. Join us for one of our introductory events, the online profitability lab introduction, or the on-site profitability lab introduction happening in Grand Rapids and Canton, Michigan. More information at profitabilitylab.com. Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.